Ready?
Okay, you're starting off strong.
Yeah! 20 points!
So let me show you guys what's available with this thing. We got this one for the darks, all right? They have Velcro and the kids had a blast with this. Now, they give you 2 golf sticks, all right? A number 1 and probably a number 7, I will say. And this is kid size and they fold down. And this comes with balls. They have Velcro, if you guys can see that. So when you throw them, they get stuck. They also have a board where you take scores, and they have turfs. Perfect for kids, adults, anyone that wants to play. You do have to hang these, all right? And make sure to keep the kids away from each other when they're swinging. So they had a blast playing with today. They're having fun throwing the darks, adults and kids having fun with the darks, and also having fun with the golf. So if you want to ever have maybe your kids practice, this is a perfect way to start them up as a game, and then you could get them out to the real place. But this is safe. You can play indoors or outdoors, doesn't matter. Anywhere you want, they could have fun. And because it's Velcro, it's pretty safe, reliable. You don't have to worry about them getting hurt, but you have to worry about them swinging when anybody's around them. So these things collapse if you ever want to take them anywhere on the road. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
Look, you throw it too. 80, 60, 50.
Watch it. Good job.
Oh!
Even though I got 0,
It's okay.
After this kind of thing.
Oh, good job.
80 points! You got 80? Yes! Thank you. I made it to 40.
Go, go, go. Yeah.
Harley, Harley, I'm gonna try.
Oh, 60. Hold on, hold on, hold on. She's going one more time.
Or this one.
Keep going.
Try to get the car.
More, more, more.
Wait, no, but which one do you want to take to your house? This
Oh, that's good.
or this one?
Oh, almost there.
And you want to take that one to your house or this one to your house?